Nissan's Frontier midsize pickup gets a tough-looking new exterior for 2022, along with a number of new safety and driver assistance features. The new body recalls the athletic look of Nissan's popular hard-body pickups in the 1980s and 90s. The pickup's underlying frame is largely unchanged, but beefed-up front and rear stabilizer bars, new steering gear, and hydraulic cabin mounts deliver a smooth, comfortable ride in a day of driving on and off-road in the hills around Park City, Utah. The Frontier got a 310 horsepower V6 engine and 9-speed automatic transmission for 2020. They're unchanged for 2022 and deliver plenty of power for everyday driving and towing up to 6,570 pounds. The interior materials are typical of midsize pickups, which is to say, nothing special. The crew cab has plenty of room for passengers, cargoes, and incidentals, though. The smaller king cab's front seat is fine, but don't put anybody you like in the rear seat. The cabin is quiet at highway speeds thanks to improved sound insulation. Prices range from about $28,000 to $38,000. Sales begin in September. The 2022 Frontier's striking looks are sure to get the attention of many midsize pickup buyers. This is Detroit Free Press auto critic Mark Phelan reporting.